Hello everyone. Am I audible and visible? Hello everyone. Yes, I have checked it myself. Okay, yes, I'm audible as well as visible. So, how are you all, guys? And how about your studies? All good? That's very nice. Do you have any idea what we are going to do now? Yes, we are going to solve numericals on thermochemistry. We are just going to have like tricks as well. Okay, so come on, share the link of the video to all your friends who are preparing for JEE means advance along with NEET 2021 2022. Isn't it, guys? All those who are in class 11, 12, or in dropper preparing for NEET 2021 2022, come on, share the link to all of them, guys, without any delay. And once again, guys, once again, a very, very warm welcome to you all to your very, very own channel. Let's crack NEET UG in English. Myself, Sharada Alok, I have been teaching chemistry at Resonance from past 10 years. Let me tell you guys how you can get connected to us. First of all, guys, what you have to do, you have to go to Play Store, download the Unacademy Learning app, and then click on to NEET UG. Okay, guys, and then go ahead for the subscription. Sweta Raji, welcome to the class. How are you, Sweta? Yes, how are you, dear? Come on. All those who are watching the video, you can talk to me also, guys. Yes, come on, have a look at the screen, guys. So you'll be getting two type of subscription, guys. One is plus subscription, the other one is iconic subscription. Let me tell you about plus subscription first of all. Guys, here you will be getting daily live classes by the top educators. Not only that, you can chat with your educator, engage in discussion, you can ask all your doubts and answer in the poll. These polls are going to have questions related to the topic being taught on the screen. Along with all this, you'll be having live test and quizzes, which is going to evaluate your preparation on a regular mock test and quizzes, and you'll be getting a detailed analysis of your performance. Along with all this, you'll be getting a proper structured course, very much designed by the top educator, looking all your targets into mind. So, guys, all by having one plus subscription, you can have access to all our live and recorded courses, which you can watch from the comfort of any of your devices. Now, the another subscription is iconic subscription, guys, which will take your NEET UG preparation to the next level with personal coach. Yes, guys, the top educators will be your personal coach. You are going to get a one-on-one guidance from top exam expert as your personal coach. It will help to align your preparation strategy. Along with this, you'll be getting in-depth test analysis with personalized feedback, which will definitely improve your time management and exam approach. So, guys, by having this iconic subscription, you will also have a proper study planner, all designed by the top educators, looking all your targets into mind. It is going to aid your preparation, guys. It is going to be very, very customized study plan, which is definitely going to help you. And along with all this, you'll be getting a bi-weekly review that will highlight your progress definitely. So just by having iconic subscription, you'll be getting live classes from top educator, mock test and quizzes, structured batch course, very much in line with the exam syllabus, guys. So whether to go for plus subscription or the iconic one must be a question going on in mind. I just want to tell you whatever you are going to get under plus subscription, you will get all that under iconic subscription with the iconic features like personal code, study planner, expert guidelines, and in-depth test analysis. So guys, how much you have to pay for iconic subscription? Let me tell you, there are three type of subscription over here. You can go ahead for 6 months, 12 months, or 24 months. Okay, guys. And all these 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months subscription are also available at no cost EMI. Guys, for 6 months, you'll have to pay 38,000. For 12 months, you'll have to pay 65,000. And for 2 years, you'll have to pay 1 lakh. If you apply this referral code of mine, SA10, guys, you will have to pay only 34,200 for 6 months, 58,500 for 12 months, 90,000 for 24 months. Come on, guys, all the 6 month, 12 months, and 24 months subscription are available at no cost EMI as well. So come on guys, all your eyes on the screen now. This is all about plus subscription. You can see from here that right from 1 month to 2 year subscription are there under plus subscription. There are so many options of taking plus subscription guys. For 1 month you'll have to pay 7,000. For 3 months, you're supposed to pay 17,500. For 6 months, you'll have to pay 28,000. For 12 months, you'll have to pay 38,500. For 2 years, you'll have to pay 56,000. But if you apply this referral code of mine, guys, SA10, you will have to pay only 6,300 for 1 month, 15,750 for 3 months, 25,200 for 6 months, 34,650 for 12 months, 50,400 for 24 months, that is 2 years. Okay, guys. So don't forget to apply this referral code of mine SA10. Come on, guys, take a pause. We are soon going to start the class. All those who are watching, just ensure yourself that you are taking a pen and copy in your hand, all your eyes on the screen. And all those who are watching, if you have not liked the video so far, do so. If you have not shared the video so far, do so. Okay, guys, come on, cheer up. All those who are watching the channel, Let's Crack NEET Huge in English, have not subscribed the channel so far, please do so. And guys, if you have not pressed the bell icon in order to have further notification, please do so. Okay, guys, have a look at the screen now. How to solve numericals on thermochemistry. Okay, guys, let us see this question wise. The very first question, guys, calculate the standard enthalpy of formation of methanol from the following data. It's very, very simple from here, guys. These are the data given over here. Done. This is the first equation. This is the first equation, guys. It is all about combustion of methanol. We know that the product of combustion are carbon dioxide and water. Is that clear? This is the heat of reaction, guys. You can say that this is the heat of reaction for combustion of methanol. Done. Now the second one is combustion of carbon. Let it be equation 2. Guys, the third one is combustion of hydrogen. This is equation 3. Now, from all these data, the very first step is to make the required equation. I'm repeating. For example, in the question, what we are supposed to do? Come on, all those who are watching, if you really want to get most out of this live classes, either you solve the question if you know this, or all your eyes should be there on the screen and try to understand it properly and then try to solve it. So all your attention should be there on the screen with your pen in and copy in your hand. Okay, and ensure yourself that you are not getting disturbed by anything around you. Okay, guys, then if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the chat box as well. Okay, so the standard enthalpy of formation we have to calculate. Guys, in order to form methanol, first of all, if you are supposed to calculate standard enthalpy of formation, whatever the given data, they should also be at standard condition. Ensure that most of the time it will be given at standard condition. Done. Then guys, it should be done for 1 mole of the substance only. Standard enthalpy of formation should be calculated for 1 mole of a substance. For example, calculate the standard enthalpy of formation of methanol. In order to calculate this, we must have this. Yes, we must have all the things required or the equation required as I'm going to write it on the screen. Guys, in order to form 1 mole of methanol, is that clear? In order to form 1 mole of methanol, we must have 1 mole of carbon solid. Done. Done, guys. Now, total hydrogens are 3 plus 1, 4. Therefore, we must have 2 moles of hydrogen gas. Done. And 1 atom of oxygen, 1 mole atom of oxygen. Therefore, this should have half mole of oxygen gas. Done. This is the required reaction for the formation of 1 mole of methanol. And delta H formation of methanol will be the delta H reaction. Yes, enthalpy of this particular reaction at standard condition. All clear, guys? Enthalpy of reaction for this, whatever the enthalpy of reaction, guys, will be what? Will be the standard enthalpy of formation of methanol. All done? Is that clear? आ रही है बात समझ में? Shweta, are you there? Yes? Ritik, are you there? Anjali, are you there? Yes. If all you guys are there, if you have solved the question, do reply in the chat box. Done. Well done. Have a look at the screen now. So guys, it is very, very clear from here that 1 mole of methanol should be there in the product side. Okay. And in equation 1, methanol is there in the reactant side. So very first step in order to get the required equation. So I'm repeating once again. In order to solve such question, guys, step one is to write down the required chemical reaction. All done. Then step two is, yes, step two, following the Hess law, because Hess law will be followed over here. Hess's law, guys. Make it Hess's law, not the hell, of course. Yes, it will be, yes. Let me take a yellow pen. Yeah. Hess's law, guys. Okay. No matter whatever steps, the reaction has been taken place. Okay. The net energy required for the reaction is going to remain same, whether it takes place in 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, or so many steps. In all the steps, like net energy is going to remain same for the formation of the particular product. All clear? So step 2 is to add the given reaction in such a way to get the required chemical reaction, okay, of step 1. All done? Then simply add on. Step 3 is simply add energy. Done? We are going to have this now. Come on, guys. So it is very, very clear from here that methanol should be present on the product side. Whereas in equation 1, it is present in the reactant side because combustion of methanol is given to us. So what we are going to do here, we will reverse equation 1 first of all. Reverse equation 1. On reversing equation 1, guys, we are going to get CO2 plus 2H2O will give what? It will give 1 mole of methanol. You have to simply reverse the reaction. 3 by 2 moles of oxygen. Energy will also be reversed, guys. Energy for this is going to be plus 726. Is that clear? Energy required will be plus 726 kilojoule per mole. Remember, units are very, very important. Okay. All done, guys. All done. Is this clear? Is this clear, guys? Come on. Come on, if it is clear, have a look at the screen then. So, guys, here the second reaction required is, yes, carbon and hydrogen both are present on left hand side in equation 2 and 3 respectively, and in the required equation as well. So we'll simply write it this way, looking the stoichiometric required as per the required reaction. For example, 1 mole of carbon is required. So equation 2 will be written as it is because it is for 1 mole of carbon. So it will be C plus O2 giving CO2. Guys, the heat of combustion, this is heat of combustion of carbon, and that is given as minus 393 kilojoule per mole. Units are very, very important to be looked after. Is that clear? All your eyes on the screen now. Now, guys, how much hydrogen we do need? We need 2 moles of hydrogen. Therefore, guys, this particular equation 3 is actually only for only for 1 mole of hydrogen, but how much mole of hydrogen do we need? We need 2 moles. So the entire equation 3 will be multiplied by 2. Remember, energy is extrinsic property, therefore this will also be multiplied by 2. Is that clear? Clear, guys? Then only we are going to get 2 moles of hydrogen. This will be 2 moles of hydrogen. All done. 1 mole of oxygen will give, guys, will give 2 moles of water plus, guys, the heat of reaction. This is actually the formation of water, no matter. So simply the heat of formation or simply the heat of reaction, guys, will be for water molecule. This formation of water molecule, it is going to be equal to, guys, 2 times of minus 286 kilojoule per mole. All clear? Is this clear or not? Do reply in the chat box, and all those who have solved it already, you can also answer it in the chat box. What we have to do now? Simply, guys, add this entire equation, including the energy. Okay, guys. Now let us cancel the duplicate number of moles present on both sides of the equation, guys. CO2 1 mole, CO2 1 mole will get cancelled. All done. Now, guys, 2 moles of water, 2 moles of water will get cancelled. Now we have 1 mole of carbon, 2 moles of hydrogen, and this is 2 moles of oxygen on left hand side, whereas 1.5 moles of oxygen on right hand side. So this will come this side. So 2 minus 1.5 will left with half moles of oxygen, which is actually the required equation, guys. Now this is going to help us to form 1 mole of methanol. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Now add all of them. Add all of them, guys. This is plus how much? It is plus 726. This is minus 393, guys. And this is 2 into minus 286. So, guys, the net reaction for this will be, yes, enthalpy of this reaction is actually the enthalpy of formation of methanol, because it is all for 1 mole of methanol. All clear, guys? This will be minus 393. Then 2 into minus 286 will become minus 572 plus 726. On adding this, guys, the value comes out to be minus 290. Yes, this will be, on adding this, minus will be added up together. From that, yes, you have to subtract 726. This value is going to come as minus 239 kilojoule per mole. Clear? This is the heat of standard enthalpy of formation of methanol. I'm repeating, this is standard enthalpy of formation of methanol. It is minus 239 kilojoule per mole. All done? Clear? All done? Everything is getting here? Well done, guys. Have a look at the screen now. Guys, the next question, what is the standard enthalpy of formation of ammonia gas? Very simple question, guys. Always remember, whether it is standard enthalpy of formation or combustion or neutralization or ionization or hydration, guys, it is all about going to be for 1 mole. I'm repeating, it's all going to be for 1 mole. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Are you all guys getting it clear? All those who are watching, then if you have not liked the video so far, please like the video and share the video as well to all your friends who are preparing for NEET 2021-2022 KVPY J means advanced board examination. Okay, guys, have a look at the definition, guys. Standard enthalpy of formation of a compound is enthalpy that take place during the formation of 1 mole of a substance in its standard form from its constituent elements in their standard state. I'm repeating, standard enthalpy of formation of a compound is the enthalpy that take place during the formation of 1 mole of a substance in its standard form from its constituent element in their standard state. Remember, it should be in the standard state. We have already discussed what is the meaning of standard state in lecture 1 of thermochemistry by me. And if you want to access to that video, you'll have to subscribe the channel Let's Crack NEET UG in English. You'll get a playlist of all the video over there, okay guys? Or you can go to the description box below the video. Yes guys, you will get a link to get access to those video from there also. Is that clear guys? Is that clear? Come on, have a look at the screen now. So guys, it is very clear from here. The given equation is actually for the formation of 2 moles of ammonia. Done guys. And we have to calculate standard enthalpy of formation of ammonia. Guys, this will be calculated only for 1 mole of ammonia. All done. This will be calculated only for 1 mole of ammonia. Now guys, as it is very clear from the given reaction that this energy is actually the enthalpy of this particular reaction where 2 moles of ammonia are forming, and we have to calculate standard enthalpy of formation of ammonia, means we have to calculate energy required only for formation of 1 mole of ammonia. So it is very clear for 2 moles. The energy required is 92.4 kilojoule per mole. So for 1 mole, it will be minus 92.4 divided by 2, which will be yes, 46, yes guys, 0.2 kilojoule per mole. This is the standard enthalpy of ammonia. All clear guys? Is this clear? Come on. Let us go ahead for the next question. Enthalpy of formation. Come on, guys. Enthalpy of formation of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, nitrogen tetraoxide are given respectively. We have to find the enthalpy of the given reaction where nitrogen tetraoxide is reacting with 3 moles of carbon monoxide in order to form nitrous oxide and 3 moles of carbon dioxide. Guys, for this we have to calculate enthalpy of reaction. Remember, enthalpy of reaction is actually equal to sum of enthalpies of product minus sum of enthalpies of reactant. Okay guys, always remember standard change in enthalpy of reaction is equal to standard change in enthalpy of product, sum of standard change in enthalpy of product minus sum of standard change in enthalpy of reactant species. All done. So it is very clear from here that here guys, the very first step is what? The very first step guys over here, let me jot down. For solving such questions, step 1 is to look whether the given reaction is balanced or not. If it is not balanced, then the very first job of yours is to balance the reaction. Done. Then what you have to do guys, in order to find out the sum, because stoichiometric moles should not be forgotten, therefore we need to have a balanced chemical reaction because guys, enthalpy is extrinsic properties. Okay, is that clear? Have a look at the screen now. So how it is to be done guys? This enthalpy of the reaction, let it be standard. Enthalpy of the reaction will be equal to guys sum of enthalpy, standard enthalpy of product. So 1 mole of nitrous oxide is forming. So this will be enthalpy of formation of 1 mole of N2O plus 3 into enthalpy of formation of CO2, that is enthalpy of formation for 3 moles, as 3 moles of CO2 are being formed in the product side. So this together is actually giving you sum of standard enthalpies of product. All clear? Minus guys, minus, you have to take enthalpy of formation of N2O4. All done. This is enthalpy of formation of N2O4. Then you have to multiply 3 into delta HF CO. What is it, guys? This is again because 3 moles of carbon monoxide are actually reacting over here. So you have to multiply this enthalpy of formation of CO with 3. All clear, guys? All clear. Now what you have to do? Enthalpy of formation of N2O. How much it is? Guys, it is given from here. This 110 is. Yes, one more thing, guys. Precautionary step over here, I am going to tell you because this is once again most of you have been making a mistake in this because when such I mean values or such datas are given in this way respectively wale terms mein, most of the time we make mistake in identifying which one is for which one. So, guys, in order to avoid that, as CO is first, so this has to be for CO. Just right on top of that value, it is for which one? This one is for CO2, this one is for N2O, and this one is for N2O4. Remember, guys, nobody will tell you this because this is not related to chemistry. This is actually related to the real mystery for the mistakes we always make, isn't it? Yes, this type of mistakes we do make, especially at the time of examination when we are in a rush to finish it in a limited period of time and we have to look for another subjects as well. Okay, guys. So, in order to avoid that, come on, the moment you are looking for the question, just keep it the value, right on the value, just top of that. Okay, that which one is for which one. All clear, guys? Have a look at the screen now. So it is very, very clear from here that for N2O, it is 81. So just simply write it plus 81 over here. Then guys, this will be plus 3 into for CO2 it is minus 393. So simply write it over here minus 393 minus. Then guys, then enthalpy of formation for N2O4. Guys, for N2O4, it is 9.7. It is 9.7 plus. What you have to do? Yes, then you have to take for carbon monoxide. For carbon monoxide, it is minus 110. This will be how much, guys? This will be 3 into minus 110. All clear? Simply now, what you have to do? Simply solve it, guys. Simply solve it. And remember, guys, remember. Another very, very important step is to look for the sign. Don't ever mistake in sign, guys. Otherwise, your answers can be wrong. It will be 81, 3 into minus 393. So it will be minus, yes, guys, 1179. Then it is minus into plus 9.7, simply minus 9.7. Now, guys, this is plus, this is minus, here also minus. It will be how much? This will be plus 330. All clear, guys? So simply add this two and then add this one. So it is going to be, okay, 411. Guys, this will be plus 411. All done. Minus it is going to be, yes, 1188.7. Okay, then this has to be equal to, guys, this will be equal to 777. Yes, what a wonderful magical figure of the answer, isn't it? Yes, 777.7. Now what about the unit? Look at the unit, all of them are, yes guys, it will be kilojoule per mole. All clear, guys? All clear? Are you getting it? Come on, guys. Have a look at the screen. So, what all things we should keep in your mind? First of all, guys, when you look at the question, you have to look for the values, okay, guys, in such way when they are not given in a proper data form or tabular form. Okay, if it is given in this way as it is given on the screen, your very first job is to write down the given energy at the top of the reactant as I have done it on the screen. Second one, you have to check whether the given reaction is balanced or not. Okay, guys. Third one, you have to simply put on the value. The correct formula should be clicked to your mind. Looking that correct formula, you should write down the first. You should write down the format of the formula, putting all the values. Okay, guys. Then just put on the exact value over there. This may take initially few more seconds, guys, but it is going to ensure your full marks for the क्वेश्चन रिमेंबर सही हुआ तो 4 और गलत हुआ तो -1 if you are going to do it correct you will get +4 and if it is wrong you will get -1 so there is a matter of 5 marks guys yes there is a matter of 5 marks no problem the thing is you should click it you should make it correct you should solve it correct in order to ensure all the 5 marks okay okay guys agar jara si bhi galti hui even a single mistake is going to make you lose all the 5 marks which you cannot afford isn't it so remember guys especially when you are solving the questions of physical chemistry related to like formula related problems are there whether it belongs to thermochemistry or it belongs to any of the physical chemistry topic where formulas are so important guys in order to have the formula to be clicked so correctly you must do this stepwise no matter if you want to take it few more seconds you please take that few more seconds okay guys because most of the time we are not there to solve the entire question paper all that clear in you know always what happens in order to yes in order to solve the entire question paper what type of mistake actually do we make a lot of mistakes guys and in order to solve all the question paper the complete question paper we lose the marks on which little bit effort can make us score the marks okay beta Ansab is asking something, but I just want to tell you, I would like to request you to concentrate on the screen. Okay, you please go to playlist of all my video playlist of the channel where you will find that yes all the video of physical chemistry organic chemistry inorganic chemistry are coming at a gradual basis am I right answer or not do reply in the chat box okay beta so please concentrate on the screen and try to get what is being taught on the screen that will help you beta at least physical chemistry ka jo ye topic which is being taught on the screen should be thorough okay or yes okay you want to say thank you for the compliment that you know you like my classes but I want to tell you beta I just want to request you to concentrate on the screen because there are certain questions which I also do not know the answer this actually there proper persons are going to come to take physics okay guys specific faculties educators are coming very soon in order to take your physics lecture don't worry I cannot answer it right now but yes I will definitely convey your query to the concerned person is that okay answer now please have a look at the screen so guys did you get all the points in your mind while which we should look before we solve any question. Is that clear, beta? Are you getting it? All those who are watching, if you have not liked the video so far, please like the video. Have a look at another question, guys. Now, the next question on the screen is the enthalpy of neutralization of which of the following acid and base is nearly minus 13.6 kilocalorie. One more thing, guys, I just want to tell you that I have taken 3 lectures on thermochemistry. This particular topic will actually has been taught in lecture 2 of thermochemistry. So please watch that video as well of lecture 2 on thermochemistry in order to have this, in order to have a complete theory part of this type of questions. Okay, it is properly explained over there, but no matter, I'm going to explain here as well. Okay, okay, is that clear? Have a look at the screen now. The enthalpy of neutralization of which of the following acid and base is nearly minus 13.6 kilocalorie. Okay, let us see how to solve that question. Always remember, guys, always remember enthalpy of neutralization. Actually, it is related to ionization or dissociation with the formula enthalpy of ionization, which can also be taken as dissociation, is equal to enthalpy of neutralization. Is that clear, guys? This is actually enthalpy of, yes, 1 mole of water. This is H plus OH minus in order to form 1 mole of water. All done, guys. This value is there. Now what we have to do? Come on, guys, always remember enthalpy of ionization for strong acid or strong base. It is taken as 0. Done. Done, guys. And for weak acid and weak bases, weak acid and weak bases, it is calculated. All done, guys. All done. We calculated using this formula. So please note down this formula. It is very, very important, guys. Done. Okay, so what we have to find out? We have to find out enthalpy. We have to yes, check the enthalpy of neutralization of which of the following acid or base is nearly equal to minus 13.6. Okay, guys. Okay, is that clear? Now it is very, very clear from here that in calorie, if you take this value, it is going to be minus 13.6 kilocalorie per mole of formation of water. So it is very, very simple from here. This is plus 13.6 kilocalorie per mole. All done, guys. Now this has to be equal to plus 13.6. It will be only when, guys, this is 0. And which all out of these two conditions, this is condition 1 where we have taken strong acid and strong base. This is condition 2 where we have to take weak acid, weak base, guys. Which condition is being followed over here? Yes, we have to put over here strong acid and strong base. So it is very, very clear from here that it is for 0 for strong acid and strong base. So in that case, guys, heat of neutralization, if this will come this side, it will become minus, will be equal to 13.6 kilocalorie per mole. All done. Is this clear, guys? आ रही है बात समझ में? Now, this will be heat of neutralization equal to minus 13.6 kilocalorie per mole. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? Are you getting it? So, guys, we have to look for the option which are actually given for strong acid and strong base. Guys, in case of A, this is HCN, which is a weak acid. This is a strong base. So, this cannot be, this enthalpy of neutralization cannot be minus 13.6 for this one. That is very clear. Here also acetic acid is a weak acid. Ammonium hydroxide is also a weak base. Done. HCl is strong acid, KOH is strong base, so it is actually the correct answer is this. Let us check it whether it is for D as well or not. It is very clear, guys. HCl is strong acid, whereas ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. So the correct answer over here is C. All clear, guys? Is this clear? Come on, have a look at the screen now. Guys, if the heat of dissociation is given, Yes, we have to follow the formula which just now we have followed. Guys, if heat of dissociation of the given acid is 0.7 kilocalorie per mole, what is the delta H for the given reaction? It is very, very clear from here. This is a weak acid, guys. This is a strong base. And what is happening over here? This is neutralization reaction. Therefore, salt is formed along with formation of water. So for this, guys, delta H will be called as heat of neutralization, which we have to calculate over here. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? If it is clear, all those who are watching, if you have not liked the video so far, please like the video. Please share the video to all your friends who are preparing for NEET 2021, 2022 JEE Mains Advanced KVP by simply looking for improvement in board examination or preparing for board examination or half yearly. Yes, do share the link of the video to all of them, guys. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Come on, have a look at the screen now. So it is very clear here from here that, come on, guys, what is the formula? How this enthalpy of dissociation related to heat of neutralization? Guys, for weak acid, enthalpy of ionization is related to enthalpy of neutralization by this formula. Done. For strong acid, guys, and strong base, it is going to be simply equal to 13.6 or 13.7 kilocalorie. Okay, without any problem. Come on. Yes, that much heat is released. Therefore, that will be taken as minus. Come on. But here, what is given, guys? Heat of dissociation is given as 0.7. Simply put on the value over there. Okay, guys. So we have to calculate heat of neutralization, guys. This value has to be minus 13.7 kilocalorie per mole. If it is given in question 13.6, then do take the value as 13.6. Otherwise, please take the value as 13.7 kilocalorie only per mole. All clear, guys? Now, what is to be done over here? Delta heat of neutralization will be plus 13.7 kilocalorie per mole, all done, is equal to 0.7. So simply, guys, delta heat of neutralization is going to be equal to minus 13.7 plus 0.7. This will be minus 13 kilocalorie per mole. All clear, guys? All clear? Are you getting this straight here or not? Do let me know in the chat box. Clear, guys? So the correct answer is A. The correct answer is A. So remember, guys, remember the value, remember the formula, and also remember the sign change and stoichiometry. Okay, guys, is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Come on, have a look at the screen now. The next question on the screen, what is standard enthalpy for complete neutralization of strong dibasic acid with nitric acid, guys? So what is the required reaction over here? It is a dibasic acid, guys. Nitric acid is monobasic acid, and this is a diacidic base. This loses 2 H minus per molecule of the acid, whereas HNO3 is monoacidic base, so it loses 1 H plus per molecule. So it is very, very clear from here that this will react with 2 moles of nitric acid and this will give 2 moles of water along with 1 mole of the salt. Is that clear? This is how the reaction will be represented, and enthalpy of reaction will be basically for the given reaction will be basically for enthalpy of neutralization, because actually this is a neutralization reaction. Okay, this given reaction represents the neutralization reaction. All those who are watching, if you have not liked the video so far, please like the video, please share the video, and come on, guys, one more thing, if you know the answer, if you know to solve the question, please solve it. Do write the answer in the chat box. Okay, guys, come on, have a look at the screen. So just very, very clear from here, guys. This is what? Yes, this is what? Complete neutralization means this has to be a strong base. HNO3 is a well-known fact that this is strong acid. Now, it is a well-known fact that during neutralization of strong acid and strong base, guys, the heat of dissociation is actually zero. Therefore, the neutralization, guys, is always equal to 13.7 kilocalorie per mole, or guys, you can take it in kilojoule, because in the question the options are given in kilojoule. So in kilojoule the value is minus 55.84 kilojoule per mole. Okay guys, so delta H naught for, yes, enthalpy of neutralization for 1 mole of water is actually minus 55.84. Guys, as 2 moles of the water are forming, therefore it will be 2 into minus 55.84 kilojoule per mole. Clear? Is this clear, guys? The value is coming around how much? Minus 111.6 8 kilojoule per mole. So which is the correct answer? Guys, B is the correct answer. All clear? B is the correct answer. All clear, guys? Are you getting this straight away here? Come on, all those who are watching it, if you really like this, if you're really getting it straight away here, come on, do like the video if you have not done so. Is this question cleared or not, guys? I told you initially also, you have to look for how many moles of water are forming. For 1 mole, you will take this in kilojoule per mole, you will take the value as minus 55.84. In kilocalorie, you will take this as minus 13.7 kilocalorie per mole. If 2 moles, simply multiply this value by 2. 3 moles, simply multiply this value by 3. All clear, guys? Have a look at the screen, guys. Come on. It's time to say bye bye, and thank you for watching. All those who are watching, if you really want to take the subscription, do apply SA10 in order to get discount. Yes, for the subscription. One more thing, all those who are watching have not subscribed the channel so far. Let's crack NEET UG in English. Please do one thing, guys. Please subscribe the channel. One more thing, guys. One more thing. One more very interesting thing I just want to tell you, that if you subscribe the channel, Let's Crack NEET UG in English, you will get a playlist of all our video over there. You can watch them all. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask us in the chat box. Okay, you can get connected to us on our channel, Let's Crack NEET UG in English Telegram channel, guys. You can get connected over there. Telegram link is there. Let's Crack NEET UG in English. Whatever doubt you have, you can ask the doubt over there also. Okay, guys. Okay, is that clear? Come on, guys. Thank you for watching. All the very best to you, guys.